Hey folks, welcome to Blue Hand Reviews. Today we're outside in the parking lot, obviously, and we're going to put some air filters in. The Mercedes AMG S55 is 2001 model. I think they all take the same filter and they all have the same process. So thanks for looking in. Share and subscribe. Helps us out a little bit. That's a big benefit for us. Okay, let's get right to it. We're going to go ahead and show you one of the filters. Get one out. And these here are washable. So theoretically, this is the last one you'll ever have to buy, right? It is a 2001. Alright, so that's what they look like. Get a good view. Okay. And we have an old one here. I can show you. That's what the old one looks like. But we're going to go ahead and go through the process. It's not real hard. Okay. Under the hood. So, if anybody's never done this before, it's not real hard. Just pop this hose off. Pop this hose off. There's a filter here and a filter here. You need to remove this part first. Just lift up on it, don't break nothing, and pull out. Real simple, not hard. And on there, there's the air inlet right here that is on top of. It's got to pull on and pull on and pull on and pull on. And it's not real hard either. Basically comes right out. So, flip it over. And you're going to notice screws. One here, one here, one here, and one here. 4 on each one. Not much to it. I've got it bent set up and we're ready to roll with it. This is a T25 bit. That's what you'll need to get the screws with. So let's get to it. Yep, other direction. Real easy, guys. Nothing to it. And you want to take and set this in there. Each part goes down. Got a rubber gasket. Want to get it in there nice and tight. Do it right. And of course the air comes in here, goes across that filter, on into this air inlet right here. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Put it back on. We'll get it tightened back down and do the other one. Reverse the process and do side number 2. Now this is part of what they call your B maintenance. I'm not going to do the whole B maintenance part on it. That's really all I want to do is change the air filters today. Alright, nothing to it. These don't look too bad, really. So we'll probably keep these around just in case. You know what that just in case is. Oh, look at that. Got some stuff in there, boy. And we need to get the other one out. Put it up to the bracket. The other one out. Nothing to it. Like I said, they're washable. Use them over and over and over and over and over. Hopefully the last one I'll ever have to buy. I got these off of eBay. And they weren't much more than the old-fashioned kinds. Maybe $3 a piece more. Wasn't much. All right. Oops. Alright folks, so apparently my trusty cameraman has put his thumb over the microphone hole and you're not hearing me. So basically we're just finishing up the second side of the reusable filters, and I'm going to tell you about putting that round part there over the round part on the air intake. Makes it easier to put on. Now get it lined up, and then the two prongs on each side will just kind of naturally fall into place. And just kind of press it down, and that's it. Put the one hose on there, walk around to the other side, get that hose on, and make sure it doesn't flip over on you because it will. It's just plastic. Alright, now we got everything in order there. We need to get the front part on. So here we go, and now I'm telling you about two little slots there located on that back portion that it kind of slides into. So slide forward and down at the same time, and it just snaps into place. Anybody can do this. It's not a hard job, folks. You know, thanks for looking in. Please like, please comment, please share and subscribe, especially share and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. And thanks for looking in, folks. Until next time, see you later.